Hey curious people, just had a glove mishap just as I was turning the camera on. Should we try that again? Hey curious people. So, thought we'd go back to my roots and do a little bit of e-waste what's inside this week. So I've got this Indeset Tob which has been kicking around this workshop for a long time. And yeah, I don't really have space for it, or space to do it on this workbench, but you know, in for a penny, in for a pound. So, you can see the condensation, can't you? Yikes, and that's in here. So, it's an Indeset hob. Now, we've all seen these be done, but I don't think I've ever done one. I can't remember. I don't think I've ever done one on camera, but we'll see. Right, so straight away we're into a T15. I think it was. Yep. Now there should be some nice copper in here. Should be nice. We shall see. And woohoo, over Christmas I have had another call for another school pickup, but it's going to be soon in on the new year, so got a lot to do. This is the first time I've actually been out here over the whole of Christmas. Childcare's been quite tricky, so this is a bit of a rush one. I am actually filming this on Wednesday evening. Woo! We shall see whether there'll be some miracle and I actually get it out for my scrap chat. So that's just ordinary ferrous steel. Now, all right. So these are the actual hot plates. Nice. Let's see what we are looking at here. Now, this should be an easy scrap because these are typically serviceable parts. You are supposed to be able to replace parts on these, but you know, typically as time goes by, things aren't really made to be serviced, but technically these should be serviceable. Interesting. Tiny little PCB here, but some nice relays there for me. Goodies. All this cordage. Now, once I've done that main, these just unclip. There we go. That's it. Look at that. So, I actually thought these were, this is a bit disappointing because these are not copper ones. Damn. Alright, well, we work with what we've got, so I don't actually think I can even put these in with my elements because they're not copper. So I might just get what I can get off of them. Let's have a look at these, shall we? That's probably a 10. No, it isn't. It's actually quite mild here in England, you know. I think we've got something like 15, 16 degrees Celsius for the end of December, which is pretty you know, pretty impressive. Yeah. There still might be... I still think there'll be some silver contacts in here for me. So I'm going to take these. We'll have a look in those in a second. I won't take them all until I've basically got into that one. So what I will do... Oh look, you can see the problem here. This is burnt out, look. So that looked like quite easy to replace, in all honesty. But hey ho. Right. And get all the cordage off. So that's where my value is. The way this baby adds up. Okay. Just clips in. So at least there's going to be some nice contacts in there, as I said before. Nothing too spectacular. It's just going to be like a resin transformer in there, which if I could get that off, I could actually put that in, but it's not going to be worth the effort. I don't think I'm going to get to that very easily. And yeah, well, I'm not. This is obviously the ceramic bit, so I'm not going to get into that. Okay, what have we got here? We've got the bit at the back. It all connects. It's being stubborn. Damn, that was the wrong way around. There's a bit of brassy goodness on there that I obviously want. There, in there. Come on. Well, that's fine. If it's going to be stubborn, I'll do it this way and get it out. So you've just got these bit in there, switching, clicking like a switch. So I don't think, yeah, they're not designed to come all the way out. Well, that's okay. So there's some more cordage and those connections for me. And do you know what? That's it. Boo hiss. Boo boo hiss. I mean, yeah, it's all steel. Oh yeah, let's just... Oh, my V-block's buried. What connections have we got? Let's have a little look. Oh, okay, so there is some silver in there. Alright, well, I'll have those off then. So I'm just going to quickly get those off and then we'll just move on to the next thing. Okay, so this I got in a e-waste pickup not that long ago. It's an external hard drive, mobile disk, external data storage. Let's just see if we can just encourage that case off. Alright, so it's basically, we've got a Maxtor hard drive in there and the little board that goes with it. Pretty cool. Just there we go. I've got to give a certificate of destruction for this, so I can't use it. I might, however, be able to create another one within brand new. Actually break that. Possibly. See how time allows. So then let's go on the pile for destruction. Right. Short and sweet. Okay, so I've got a few of these, didn't I, in that pickup? These are switching between servers. It doesn't feel like there's much in here. Ooh. Ooh. Well, now that's a spaghetti of cordage, and look at that switch there. Yikes. It's pretty cool, isn't it? Let's have a closer look at this. See, this is what I love about it's so blunt. That's what I love about this is just finding stuff and seeing inside all these different things. I'm obviously going to neaten up this cordage, don't panic. Anyone who's new, do not panic. I do not leave singles behind, or any cordage actually. Okay, so that's all loose now. I'll get those off with me. And then you just got this switch in there. Oh, I've got a couple of things in the mail just before Christmas. Oh, seriously? It's like a 10.5. Okay. I'll do it this way, it's fine. It's fine. Yeah, so I've got some mail from Laura from Tinkering Twins and their mom, and from Grandpa Kevin, which is very lovely of them both. So I will show you what I got. Okay, nice bit of brassy goodness in there. Oh yeah. Oh, I also got some Christmas, some new tools for Christmas. Of course, I got a lovely mix of beauty products. Well, I say beauty products, skincare, and some precision screwdrivers, which absolutely suits me. There we go. Brilliant. Oh, I can fit. It's got the little. So yeah, I was very happy with that. Very happy indeed. Alright, let's do it this way. Fiddly, huh? Quite like this thing. Looks a bit space age, if you know what I mean. Don't know, reminds me of some sort of space alien swimming through plasma. I don't know. I don't know. I know what I mean in my own head. I mean, you may or may not also understand what I'm talking about. I know quite a few of you are like-minded, so it's possible. Gosh, this is fiddly, isn't it? Right, gotcha. Gotcha. Or it looks like some sort of... It's an electronic hedgehog, look. That's what it is. I mean, hedgehogs do not make that noise, I don't know. In my defence, I have actually never, even though I'm a country bumpkin, I have never had the privilege of seeing a real life, alive hedgehog. So isn't that unfortunate? So yeah, I don't know if it's the other wildlife. There's always one, isn't there? This is being a beast. I don't know if the other wildlife has seen them off or what, but come on, you. And this one out, aren't I? There better be something in here. Oh yes. I sort of managed to cross thread it a little. Come on. Ooh, look at this. This is interesting. Only that wasn't being a stubborn little thing. Let's go a little bit more precision. No, oh fine. You know what? Let's get my Slater's hammer. I really don't want to mess with this. By the power of great stone. Stupid screw. Jeez. All right, anyway, here we go. Look at this. This is actually really cool. Look at all of these components. That's really awesome. I think I should be able to do something pretty cool with this. And then, of course, pièce de résistance is the gorgeous lump of brassy goodness in the middle. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Very nice. Anyway, you've seen it now. It's pretty cool. I do wonder as well what material that is made of, because it's very, very shiny. Let's do the old bleach test on that. See if there's any silver there. It does look very silver. Could be. Could be. Right. Oh yeah, along with all that yumminess, good. Okay, and just a steel case, I'm afraid. Yeah. Right, so how are we doing for time? Okay, what else did I want to show you out of that? There was, oh yeah, this. It was that fob base, Salto. It's that communications security system that I had all those fobs to. So let's have a little look and see, a bit big, what we've got in here. I did actually get some older routers of the type I haven't seen before. Some like older BT ones. Long screws. Okay. It's quite heavy, this thing, actually, for such a small thing. Got 12 volts, 200 milliwatt. Ooh, okay. So that is the little board. It goes with that. It's on like a metal plate. Quite interesting. Let's have a look here. Oh, I thought that was a Torx, it's not. Open your eyes. Got some risers there. They look brass. That's always a good thing. Very happy with brass risers. Yeah, so anyway, New Year at the end of the, look at that, wad of just steel. Strange. New Year at the end of the week. Hello? Okay, sorry about that. My daughter cut her finger on the Spider-Man toy, would you believe? Right, okay, so just looking, there's actually nothing on the bottom of that board, so I might do that off camera, save some time. And this one, might have a quick look. I suspect nothing as well, but I can't actually see, so we'll just look. I do like it when you can see the gold circuitry though. Pretty cool. If nothing else. So, I've got a little bit. Right. What is that? You know, I actually don't know what this is. Yes, my nails are still poking through my gloves. Is it gold band crystal oscillator? There is a... No, I don't think it is. No, I don't know what that is. Interesting. There's no codes to help me either. Some sort of... How many? 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't know. Not sure. Oh, so that's that. A little bit of cordage. Nothing much there. A little bit of, I mean, you could jig this metal bit out if you want. Nothing too amazing. Okay, what I think I might do is my little 2 mail call bits before anything else, just in case I'm called away again and don't get the time to do it. So, okay, so this first one is from Grandpa Kevin. He sent this all the way from America, which is amazing. Look at this! Look at this brassy goodness! Oh, look at these risers. Wow. Yummy! Oh, look, you can see he's been taking apart some some hard drives, some CD ROMs. There's the yummy brassy bits from there. Look at that. Some sort of gum brass there as well. Awesome. Look at all these. So I love this because, you know, we can all see bits in here and know that we recognise what we've taken those out of. Look, all sorts in here, little coppery goodies. I like these. These almost look like car emblems, don't they? They'll be awesome in some creative bits. Look at that one. Burnt out. Almost looks like that could be off of a boiler. Could be wrong there. Really amazing. Thank you so much, Kevin. It's really, really generous of you to send this heavy stuff so far to me. I love it. And I really look forward to... Well, I'm going to put them... I'm going to display them lovingly in a jar, probably for quite some time. Some might go into some resin, some might be melted into something glorious. But, yes, something will be coming your way. Oh, look. Missed those. Woo! Yummy. Yeah, they look like boiler bits. Off with the pipe work. Very nice. Awesome. Thank you so much. Very generous. I can't show you the other things. He told me to keep it a secret. But for those of you who don't know, this is Grandpa Kevin. And this is his sticker. So, excuse me. Go over and check him out. Okay. And my other mail is from Laura from Tinkling Twins and their mum with a lovely Christmas card, which is really awesome. I didn't do Christmas cards the last couple of years. This glove. What I've done is I have donated to different charities and made a little collage of the donations, which charities it was, and sent that out instead. So I put that on my Facebook. So hopefully you saw that. I just like doing that instead of Christmas cards for the last couple of years. So this year we did Crisis at Christmas, which is a charity over in England that helped. I think actually, I don't think they're just in England. I think they may be overseas as well. They help homeless people, provide them food and shelter on Christmas Day, but they also aim to help that person fight homelessness for good and actually get them out of the situation they're in and look for a long-term future. So it's not just a quick fix kind of thing. We did the UNICEF Afghanistan appeal for the children that are in need over there, with the dire situation that's going on over there with all the troops pulling out. So we wanted to contribute to that one. And the other one was Hospice in the Weald, for the great work that they do for people in their final hours and their families, and the ongoing support and also support before that. Ooh, I can hear noises outside. So yeah, so that's who we did. So, but thank you. I received a couple of Christmas cards, one from Shark Scrapper and one from Laura. So that's really kind. Thank you. Very generous of you sending them all this way as well. And she sent me this, which is actually a really beautiful top, and actually really my style, because I have V-neck is almost essential for me. Any ladies with my build, should we say, will understand the importance of a V-neck. And black and beautiful. Look at this gorgeous picture. The earth has music for those who listen. Life is good. Isn't that gorgeous? So that is absolutely unbelievably generous. And for any of you who don't know Laura, this is Laura from Tinkering Twins and their mum. That's her YouTube sticker. She's also on Instagram. So yeah, please go and check her out. Thank you so much, guys. They're absolutely gorgeous. I should have brought the card out. The card had a picture, some pictures of birds her brother took, but it's inside with my other Christmas cards. I did not think about it. Oh, and there's something I'm not allowed to show anybody from Grandpa Kevin. Mum's the word on that one. So until I'm allowed to show it, it will go with the secret pile under the copper pans. Shh, don't tell anyone. Okay, I might have time for one more little thing. What shall we do? What's that? No. Boring. Okay. Now, what should we do? Oh yeah, I said about... why not? Let's see what little board we've got on this. Oh, you can almost see the board through it. I remember from the pickup. From this router, I haven't done one like this before. So I wonder if this is like the other BT ones where you just have to literally give it a bit of a gentle encouragement. Or did it actually have screws? It might have had screws. Oh, that looks like a... No, it isn't a screw hole. There we go. Yeah, gentle encouragement it was. Ooh, gold quarter BGA. Nice. It's in a metal frame, this as well. Okay, so... Sorry, I forgot to put my phone on silent. Let's see what we've got under the electro shields there. Probably nothing too spectacular, but we shall see. Pop. Okay, well, literally a tiny, weeny, teeny. I don't think that's even a flat pack. It's a little BGA, not a gold corner or anything like that. So yeah, with these you can literally just pop off the top. I used to hammer the sides and try and get it, and there's a couple of people that have joined me recently that are watching my older videos. Oh, cringe. And I remember last week, I think it was Simone, everyone over to Soller's old videos, please don't do it. Oh, what a cringe. Anyway, I have much faster methods now. Usually it's involving this bad boy, or my new favourite, this pointy goddess right here. Yeah, there's not much she can't get into. So yeah, the old videos. But it's really lovely when we have somebody catching up on all the videos and commenting. I do appreciate that. So yeah, I've got a few new people and trusted familiar faces, but Daniel Moore is somebody who is being really amazing and actually watching all of my old videos, which is really fantastic, because people don't often do that when they find somebody, because basically there aren't enough hours in the day. So I do really appreciate that. So hello Daniel Moore, and thank you for watching and all your comments. And there's Daniel Sykes as well, another person watching back through older vids, which is really nice. And David, somebody called David, yeah, really nice. So I really appreciate it. I really appreciate all of you. You know that. I try to say it often because I actually genuinely mean it. Because, you know, I'm not just here for me, I'm also here for you. Because if it wasn't for you, what would the point in me being here? You know? It's like, whoa. Yeah, you're very, very important to me, you guys. All of you. All of you. I almost miss my little thumbs down crew. Yeah, since they turned off the old number. I wonder if they've now disappeared, or whether they still watch and loathe. Not sure. Oh, how I miss the connection. But anyway, you know, everyone, however they are involved in your channel, it's really nice. So this is really weird. Look at the way this is poking out through this. There we go. Wow, that's actually a really heavy little board. And look at these gold band crystal oscillators. Okay, so we've got nice gold band there. And do you know what? Not a single tanty in sight. I haven't found any tanties for ages. What is with that? You know, I am a woman who loves the tanties. Honestly, shocking. But I can't complain because I've got some really nice MLCCs and this lovely gold band crystal oscillator. And that one there, some big beefy crystals, obviously the gold corner BGA, another BGA, smaller BGA, and then these flat packs and ICs. So yeah, and don't confuse these for MLCCs because that's not what they are. Oh, my daughter's calling me. Okay, right, time's up. I've pushed it to my limit. I want to say thank you so much. I really want to get into some good stuff next week. I just hope I get a chance. I've got I'm looking after a lot of children. It's very complicated. But yes, hopefully I'm gonna really get through this shed and show you inside some more bits that we haven't done for a while. Okay, well, thanks for watching. I hope you've had a good Christmas. For those who, for whatever reason, it's been a difficult Christmas, I hope you've got through it okay, and onwards and upwards, hopefully, for 2022. Love you all. Take care. See you in the next one. Bye. Bye. And what, may I ask, are you doing up there, Sunderkins? So you're the one who was creeping me out in the shed, huh? Yeah. Come on. Come on, baby. Come on. Leave the birdies alone. Down you get.